Hi everyone. Now today one more problem to show irrational number root 3 plus root 5. We need to show root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. We already discussed in our previous videos how to show the single square roots like root 2, root 3 and root 5. Also we did a combination of irrational and irrational. Now it's time for a combination of two irrational number, root 3 and root 5. So we already know the first three steps. Let us assume this is an indirect method. Let us assume root 3 plus root 5 is not an irrational number. Is not an irrational number. If it is not an irrational number, what can you say? So root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. A rational number. If it is a rational number, we can write root 3 plus root 5 as the form of a by b, where a and b are co-primes. Yes, these are the three steps common for every problem of show that an irrational number. That's remember everyone. So from onwards we are going to give another steps or different steps. Now previous problems were combinations we discussed. Out of two, we taken one number as a rational and one number is irrational. So we make them separate irrational number and separate rational number. But here there are two irrational numbers we cannot separate. So send any one of the number out of root 3 and root 5. I am going to send root 5. So I want to make only one irrational number of whole the equation and one remaining terms are rational. So I want to make root 3 as a rational. For that I want to do squaring on both sides. So very important. Remember that a combination of two irrational number you need compulsory. You need to take squaring on both sides. So root 3 whole square is equal to a by b minus root 5 whole square. So I am going to root 3 square get cancelled 3. 3 is equal to now a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into a by b into root 3, root 5. So now 3 is equal to a square by b square. So square root get cancelled 5. So 2a by b root 5. So now when you observe this statement, in this statement we have only one irrational number, that is root 5. 3 a square by b square, 5 2a by b, these all are rationals. So I want to make root 5 as a single term, either left side or right side, the remaining terms into another side. So that is a very important, is the transposition is very important to us. So I am going to do a square plus b square into left side, 5 also left side. Other than, instead of that, there is a 2a by b minus. So first of all, better I want to make this term into left side. So 3 plus 2a by b root 5 is equal to a square by b square plus 5. So what I want to do in the next two coming steps, I want to make root 5 is a single term. Let's remember. Now I want to send 3. It becomes 2a by b root 5 is equal to a square by b square plus 5 minus 3. Concentrate on these steps. Next, make it 5 minus 3 becomes 2. So a square by b square plus 2. Now I am going to do cross multiplication, make it into single term. Then after I want to send 2a by b into that side. A square plus 2b square by b square. Clear everyone? This is a cross multiplication. Yes. Now it's a single term in the right side. So I want to send 2a by b into that side. It becomes reciprocal. So a square plus 2b square by b square into b by 2a. Yes, there is a one b cancel. So at the end of the answer, root 5 can be written as a square plus 2b square by 2ab. See this. Here root 5 is irrational. A square plus 2b square by 2ab is a rational. How can you say it is a rational? We already know that a and b are not only co-primes, a and b are integers. We know that rational number definition. A number can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So here a and b are integers. The square of integer, the addition of integers, the product of 2 and a and b is also an integer. Total term is also a rational number. So this is a rational number and root 5 is irrational. So both never be equal. Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? We are taking root 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. So here the contradiction will came. So that's why the given information root 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Simple. There are more 2 steps. So what are the steps here? Here root 5 is irrational. Yes. And the next one is a square plus 2b square by 2ab is a rational. So but we are getting both never be equal. Both never be equal. Yes. Irrational and irrational never be equal. They both are opposites. So our assumption is wrong. Hence, what can you say? Root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. See this proof?